Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Scale Up. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how you can turn off language detector of accessibility reader. Let's get started. Open up your iPhone settings and then scroll up and go to accessibilities. There you will find read and speak. Click on that and then scroll up and you will see over here detect languages in speak. So once you click on that toggle, it's going to be turned on and it will never detect any language that is on the screen. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like my video, subscribe my channel Scale Up, and also drop me a comment for more tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.